Meaning of dread.
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 Dread. Dread is a noun that refers to a feeling of great fear or apprehension. When someone experiences dread, they may feel a sense of impending doom or extreme anxiety. The feeling of dread can be caused by a variety of factors, such as an upcoming event or a perceived threat. It can have both physical and emotional manifestations, such as restlessness, sweating, or a racing heartbeat. In extreme cases, dread can lead to panic attacks or other severe physical symptoms. Overall, the experience of dread is highly unpleasant and can cause significant distress for those who experience it.